Welcome back. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of fashion and design, focusing on how colors are used to create trends and influence style. Colors in fashion are more than just aesthetic choices. They are powerful tools that designers use to communicate, innovate, and inspire. We'll explore the principles behind color choices in fashion, share some relevant quotes, a story about a famous fashion icon, and reference research to deepen our understanding. To start, let me ask you, have you ever felt an immediate attraction to a piece of clothing because of its color? Perhaps the color made you feel bold, elegant, or even nostalgic. This reaction is often the result of carefully considered color choices by designers who understand the impact of color on our emotions and perceptions. Color psychology is fundamental in fashion design. Different colors can evoke different feelings and moods, and designers use this knowledge to create collections that resonate with their audience. For instance, black is a color that conveys sophistication, elegance, and authority. It's a staple in fashion because it's versatile and timeless. Think about the classic little black dress, dropped LBD, popularized by Coco Chanel. It's an enduring symbol of style and elegance. Red, on the other hand, is a color that exudes passion, energy, and confidence. It's a bold choice that commands attention and is often used in fashion to make a statement. Designers like Valentino have famously embraced red, making it a signature color that epitomizes glamour and allure. White is associated with purity, simplicity, and freshness. It's a color that can convey a sense of minimalism and modernity. Designers like Calvin Klein and Ralph Lauren often use white to create clean, crisp looks that are both sophisticated and contemporary. Blue is a color that represents calmness, trust, and stability. It's a popular choice in both casual and formal wear because it's versatile and universally flattering. Denim, for example, is a classic fabric that's synonymous with blue and is a staple in wardrobes around the world. Green symbolizes nature, renewal, and health. It's a color that can evoke feelings of freshness and tranquility. In recent years, green has gained popularity in fashion as a symbol of sustainability and eco-consciousness. Designers like Stella McCartney, known for her commitment to sustainable fashion, often incorporate green in their collections to reflect these values. Yellow is a color that evokes happiness, optimism, and creativity. It's a bright, cheerful color that can add a sense of fun and playfulness to fashion. Brands like Versace and Gucci often use yellow to create eye-catching, vibrant designs that stand out. Now let's enrich our discussion with a relevant quote and a story about a famous fashion icon who masterfully uses color in their designs. Fashion is the armor to survive the reality of everyday life. Bill Cunningham. Bill Cunningham, a legendary fashion photographer, understood that fashion is not just about clothes, but about how colors and styles can empower and transform us. Consider the story of Iris Apfel, a renowned fashion icon known for her bold and eclectic style. Iris has always embraced vibrant, harmonious color schemes in her fashion choices, creating unique and unforgettable looks. Her fearless approach to mixing bright, complementary colors has made her an inspiration in the fashion world. Iris believes that color brings joy and energy, and her signature style proves that understanding and playing with color harmony can lead to extraordinary and inspiring results. To support our understanding, let's look at some research. A study published in the Journal of Fashion Marketing and Management found that color significantly influences consumers' purchasing decisions and perceptions of fashion products. The study concluded that consumers are more likely to purchase items in colors that evoke positive emotions and align with their personal style. Oloruntoba and Adeoye, 2019. Another study from the Color Research and Application Journal explored how color trends in fashion are influenced by cultural, social, and economic factors. The researchers found that color trends often reflect societal moods and events. For example, during times of economic uncertainty, there is a tendency for more subdued and neutral colors to dominate fashion, while brighter colors emerge during periods of optimism and growth. Eisenman, 2017. This demonstrates the dynamic relationship between color trends and the broader cultural context. In addition to these findings, Pantone's Color of the Year is an influential trendsetter in the fashion industry. Each year, Pantone selects a color that reflects the current zeitgeist and inspires designers across various fields. For example, the 2021 color of the year, Ultimate Gray and Illuminating, a bright yellow, symbolized resilience and hope, capturing the collective mood of the world as it navigated the challenges of the pandemic. As we wrap up, think about your own wardrobe and style. How do the colors you choose make you feel? How do they reflect your personality and mood? By understanding the principles of color psychology and the strategic use of color in fashion, you can create looks that not only express your individuality, but also enhance your confidence and well-being. In our next lesson, we'll explore how colors are used in art and how artists use color to convey meaning and evoke emotions. Until then, experiment with different colors in your fashion choices and observe how they influence your mood and interactions. See you next time.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.